This case opens heavy, a mother charged with DWI with a child under 15. That's not just a regular DUI, it's a state jail felony in Texas. Right from the start, the stakes are life-changing, not just for Ashley, but for her child's future too. Would you believe this young mom still gets a second chance before serving time? Let's break down how.
24 CR 007345, State versus Ashley Nicole Medina. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense?
Thomas Beck.
And are you Miss Medina? Yes. Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? You're charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated with a child under 15 as a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility.
Here comes the human moment. The judge's question isn't just about guilt, it's about accountability. And Ashley's answer? It's raw, honest, and full of regret. This is the moment the courtroom goes quiet, when remorse meets reality. Do you think judges can really tell when someone is sincere?
And up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand? Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? Yes, ma'am. According to the plea, the state is recommending 2 years in the state jail facility. There's a $500 fine. State recommends community supervision and ignition interlock for half the term. Did you understand that to be your agreement? Yes, ma'am. Defense, is that the agreement?
It is, Judge. We're hoping that you'll probate the fine. But that is the agreement.
State, is that the agreement?
Yes, sir.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 4 years. There be a TAP evaluation, community service hours, and parenting classes in the DOEP course and regular UAs. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offenses charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
No objection.
Court will accept into evidence state's exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, she obviously was taking the drugs, and she's very motivated. She's changed totally, but she's been incarcerated, and she wants to make this probation and solve her drug problem.
Wait, this twist is crucial. The case was dismissed and refiled after toxicology results came in. That means prosecutors didn't just let it go, they came back stronger once they had proof. This is a reminder that in criminal court, a dismissal doesn't always mean freedom, sometimes it's just the calm before the storm.
So what were you thinking?
I clearly wasn't thinking, and I had a lot of time to think about it, and I do regret what I did. I have remorse for everything. I'm known better than that, and I was just going through a really difficult time the last couple of months before that happened, and it's no excuse, but I was bad judgment, and I do apologize for that.
Is Child Protection Services involved?
I had a case, but I got it closed.
Okay, let's unpack that a little bit. When you say you got it closed, obviously you're in custody. There's no way they will return your child to you because you're in custody. So what happened?
Well, when this first happened, I did get a case, but I did the classes and I did the drug test, and I was able to get that case closed.
Well, so why are you in custody?
I had a warrant.
She couldn't make money.
All right, so did they pick her up on the same day that this happened? Because the offense date for this is May 9th, 2023.
Yeah.
So you've been in custody since May 9th?
No.
All right,
They
so
dismissed the case for further investigation and rebrought it. I think that's what happened.
State, is this a case that was dismissed and re-indicted?
You don't know the answer to that question, Your Honor.
Definitely wasn't. show you the print.
Yeah, sure. Okay, I'm looking up now through.
Here's the turning point. The judge could have sent her straight to jail, but instead, chooses probation. That's mercy, mixed with strict supervision. A suspended sentence means, you walk free, but one mistake, and you're serving every day of it. Would you have given her that chance?
So this case was dismissed in April of the same year of last year, and the dismissal was re-entered again in November with the same April date, but it was indicted before that November date that you see in your computer. So I don't know if it was a clerical error of them entering the dismissal again in November, but if you look at the dismissal that's scanned in the system, it has an execution date of April. And so
For the dismissal of the case?
yes, so it was dismissed in April for further investigation, and then it was indicted again once we got the toxicology results back. And then for some reason, that dismissal that was submitted in April was entered into the system again, but no new dismissal was submitted to the court.
Okay. All right, that explains things. So are you employed?
Not currently, but I'm very sure I can get a job as soon as I can.
Doing what?
Sorry?
Doing what?
Anything that I can to make money, until I find something I enjoy doing.
I'm sorry, what?
I can do anything, until I get somewhere I want to be. I've worked in a lot of places, so I have a lot of experience, and I'm willing to do whatever I need to.
All right, everyone, you need to whisper so that I can hear. All right. The court is going to sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 4 years. In custody, this is what I want done. I want a TAP evaluation, follow TAP recommendations, proof of employment within 30 days of release. There should be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Ignition interlock for half the term. How far did you go in school?
I graduated and I was a dental assistant.
All right, there's going to be 200 hours of community service restitution.
And just when you think it's over, it's not. The next phase reveals that Ashley's fight isn't just legal, it's personal. Mental health, addiction recovery, and parenting all collide in what becomes a rehabilitation story. This is where punishment turns into purpose.
Parenting classes and probation. If she completed parenting classes as a part of this case, then the court will deem it satisfied. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. And I'm going to order the DWI education course and victim impact panel live. And I'm going to order 1 year license suspension. State, is there any restitution to the complainants? All right. So, counsel, I think there's going to be a restitution amount. There's a school bus involved from my reading of things. So what we'll do, if there's an issue with the restitution, we'll set it for a restitution hearing. All right, so there'll be restitution, if any, and that will be to her daughter who was in the vehicle with her. And also, they don't have the names of the children on the school bus, but so that the record is clear, the driver of the school bus was a Mr. Abonce, or Abonce, A-B-O-N-C-E. So it's him and the 21 students who were on the bus. And there's going to be field visits 1 time per month until further notice. Probation, is there anything else? Okay. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? No. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition, If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
This judge deserves credit. She's not here to destroy Ashley, she's here to rebuild her. By referring her to felony drug court, the system shifts from punishment to healing. It's rare to see this much compassion in a courtroom. Do you think more judges should take this kind of approach?
Thank you.
Hello. Good, how are you?
All right, how are you doing?
A lot better. Working on a lot of things. So.
Well, thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Thank you.
Judge, I asked for a court summary in addition to the supplemental report, so you'll find the court summary a couple of pages back from that supplemental report. We're here today, Judge, to put it just simply, Miss Medina needs help. We know that there's a drug issue and mental health issues, and she needs help.
Okay.
Supplemental report kind of gives you an outline of what's been going on. I believe the court summary will give it a little bit more information. After you've reviewed it, I do recommend possibly a felony drug court referral. And if not acceptance of felony drug court, going with the recommendations that the officer has.
All right. Did I see the file? Do you have a file? Is she's not on deferred adjudication. What's her underlying on this?
2 years.
All right. Oh, then I don't need the file.
I do start a new job tomorrow. Just want to throw that out there as well. And I have reached out to sober living communities as well to like very much. I'm wanting help, so I have 2 different places. I have, like I said, the job I started for ready to work with the orientation for college to get a higher degree. The job I'm gonna get has benefits. I'm finishing IOP with Miss Mitchell. I'm working with JG Wentworth to fix my credit and get that going because I need to buy a house for my daughter. The sober living, like I said, it just looks like a good idea to have that support system and team that I don't have. So I'm looking towards that. I'm awaiting some parenting classes that I'm looking for still actively. I own the breathalyzer, but that's because I haven't had a steady job. But like I said, I'm starting this one tomorrow. That's $16.50 an hour with benefits and stability that I crave and need. So, and I've been attending any meetings and just kind of trying to get things in track. It's just I need that extra support when the driver stops just over.
Okay, so here's the thing. I appreciate that you understand that you have issues that you need help with.
Right.
We're trying to help you. That's why I said this for a compliance hearing, right?
Right.
So what I've discovered is sometimes people can't write their own plans.
Right. Yes.
Because if they
Always
could,
not working.
we wouldn't even be here, right?
Right. Exactly.
So I think the best place for you is I'm going to do a referral to felony drug court. Felony drug court, you need to make sure you meet all of their meetings. You need to be honest with them.
Right.
Now, everything that you told me that you're working on,
Yeah.
they will be able to help you with that.
Okay, great.
They'll be able to help you with sober living. If there's a credit issue, they have a course where they have somebody who will come in, talk to you to help you with that.
Yeah, that's my goal. I want to buy my daughter a house. Like I'm really trying to take. Like I want to. But when I went to the mental health assessment, you required yesterday, I think it was. Or the day before, I told him, he was like, "Oh, so you want help?" And I'm like, "I actually do want help." So it's just been hard.
Sure.
Yeah, it's been hard, but I'm ready.
All right, that's awesome. And we're going to do what we can to help you because probation wants you to be successful. I want you to be successful.
I also do, for my daughter and for you as well. You've been, I mean, you've been tough on me because you see it in me, what I should be doing. So I appreciate that. And I'm just want to be able to, fulfill that.
All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a referral to felony drug court. Probation, if for any reason felony drug court does not accept her, if you can have her brought back here, and then we're going to work on other things. And if you could send.
I would like to ask if the felony drug court can expedite.
Yes. All right, so we'll see if felony drug court can expedite this as well.
Okay. Yeah, I understand.
So, maybe see if she has transportation, maybe if they're available to see her today or something.
Yeah, I don't have public. I don't use public transportation. Actually, I said
Well,
that
I can tell you felony drug court, it is downtown near the Bear County Jail.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I can. Yeah, but like I said, the job that I'm going to start is going to be from Tuesday to Saturday, so I'll also Sunday, Monday.
So here's the thing, with regards to employment, just let them know about that. But your main focus should be your sobriety, okay?
Oh, of course, yeah. And I feel like having the job will keep me, like it always has kept me more like, just not even worried about anything else, you know? So,
All right, so we're gonna do a referral to felony drug court.